This is Miss Dusty Skipfield. We call her Daisy. Daisy will be a 2-year-old in August, I think the 15th, 2010. She's one of our T-Bar-S 2-year-olds. That's Ashley Cloyd. Ashley's working on the flexing left and right. This is Daisy's second ride. Just getting some forward put into her. Just curious about our little jump standards there in the middle. Daisy's going to make somebody a good little cutting or reining prospect. She's real athletic. She's a really quick learner. She gets a little bit stuck, but it's only her little second ride. If you're interested in a little 2-year-old, coming 2-year-old prospect like Miss Dusty Skipfield, you can find her on our website, www.tbarsdreamhorses.com, on the quarter horse page. She's a Skipper W bred at its finest. Her sire is Desert Skipper. And that's Daisy. This is Sonia at T-Bar-S Horse Ranch and Horsemanship. If you're interested in Daisy or having one of your colts started nicely, give us a call at 785-806-9000 or 785-383-8363 and talk to Pepsi. She's assistant manager here at T-Bar-S, and she'd be happy to talk to you.